All right, so currently this is how my project is going. Um, when I start the program, there's a splash screen, and then in the game, right now I'm displaying the hitboxes to show the obstacles, and then the duck can move left, right, and then there's an up function where when you hit the up arrow, it kind of comes out at the screen and then goes back down. And then if I run into an object, and if I run into an obstacle in the lake, then that would end the game. I'm still working on the end of game screen for that. And then conversely, if you avoid all the obstacles successfully and you get to the end of the lake, then there would be dry land. So I'm still working on that as well. Um, as for the scope of development, I would say that it's mostly the same, except that I don't plan on making any targeted obstacles because I think that due to how the game works, it would be too hard for the player to avoid them. Um, as for stuff that I want to keep working on, I think that the game might be starting when I run it rather than when I'm clicking the button on the splash screen. So I definitely want to fix that. And then I just want to implement it so that instead of like manually generating the obstacles, they're just randomly generated, which shouldn't be too hard to do. One difficulty that I faced while implementing this project was the movement of the obstacles. Before, I was just moving them how you normally would, and it was in the same loop as arrows, um, the arrow functions. And then basically, what was happening is that it was super glitchy, I think because it was related to the frame rate, and the frame rate was slowing down. And also, when I would press the arrow keys to move the duck, the obstacles would like speed up. So I did some research on what was going on, and I found out that a way to handle this is to use a clock and make the movement time based. And by doing that, it definitely fixed the issue, and now the obstacles seem to be moving just fine. Um, yeah, so that's the plan, and that's what I'm going to keep working on. Thank you.